Good morning, world. It's 5:50 p.m., almost 6 o'clock in the morning. And for some reason, I always seem to wake up at this time here in Brazil, and I can't get back to sleep. But in reality, I know exactly why I'm waking up so early. It's really because of the birds. They're very loud, and they like to sing. They're industrious little animals. They like to get up at this hour and say hello to the world. So I'm going to try and see if I can get some of them on film. Maybe you can hear them if I open up this window. Hold on. They'll probably be quiet because I'm trying to film them. Yeah, it's about that bright for me, too. Shh, listen. Can you hear them? I think they're speaking of rebellion. Yeah, anyway.